Hey everyone! Welcome aboard to another quick tutorial where we're going to be diving into the waters of white labeling your desktop app with GoHighLevel. So, let's dive in. First and foremost, you should be logged into your agency account. Once you're in, navigate over to Settings, and then on to Company. And as you paddle your way down the settings, you'll stumble upon White Label Domain. Aha! But what's this magic, you ask? Well, when you white label your domain, your agency or system can now be accessed with this custom link. It's all about branding, my friend. Instead of sending out the standard app.gohighlevel.com, you can replace it with a domain that screams you. As an example, I'm going to use my own domain, Hometown Realty. So, the white label domain will be app.hometownrealty.com, and for the API domain, we'll just replace app with link, making it link.hometownrealty.com. Now, hold on tight, because here's the next step. Head over to your DNS provider and adjust your DNS records. With GoDaddy, for instance, you'd need to create a CNAME record with the host as app that points to app.msgsender.com. Once you've done that, hit save. For the API link, you'll create another CNAME record, but with the host as link that points to link.msgsender.com. After saving these two, paddle back to GoHighLevel and hit Update Company. And voila! You've just saved both the white label domain and the API domain. The beauty of this is that your users or sub-accounts can now use your custom link to log into GoHighLevel. And the API domain? Well, your calendars and forms will now proudly display your domain instead of the standard GoHighLevel.com. And that's all, folks. You just white-labeled your desktop app. If you have any more queries, just ask away. Thanks for tuning in for this quick how-to video. For more adventurous how-to videos, check out our GoHighLevel Sauce playlist. Catch you on the next mission.